guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. Welcome if you're new here. Hello. I am so excited. I finally got this palette. You don't know how much the journey was to get this palette. It's the Mirage Palette from Profusion. It took me about 5 months. I ain't kidding. It took me. I'm glad I got this because I just watched this and I knew it was a perfect fall palette. Even though this is winter going on spring soon, I could say this can be like definitely a winter, but also like all year round because it has these colors right here. And let me open it up. Sure. There you go. I mean, these colors are so beautiful. I mean, bright. The colors that really caught my eye was this orange. I do not have this orange in my collection, and sorry, my phone went. And so I got this one, but these colors right here and right here are so pretty. And you got 3 glitters, 1, 2, and 3. These do have names. This one is Mirage right here. The gold one is Goddess, and this color right here is OMG. And they do have the names in the back, which they do have a sheet you can use, but as long as it has the name at the back, like right here, I'm perfectly fine. So I cannot wait to play with these colors because I'm thinking I'm going to do a cut crease, a little bit of cut crease, a little bit of halo look out of this palette and see what, like I said, we're going to use this color right here in Adventurous. I think that's a pretty warm, nice warm, because they do have like, this is more of like a warm, more neutral palette, so we're just gonna just how we go. So I'm gonna use this as more of a transition shade. As I can tell, it is very pigmented, even in person it's really pretty. As you see right now, this is very pigmented, which I do like. I mean, Profusion, I know I'm already in love with you, but I'm going to marry you. So that's it. This is such a beautiful palette. Now, I'm just saying, guys, I'm about to marry. I'm ready to marry Profusion. Just saying. So we're going to go with the, okay. Okay, we're going to use this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to have to use, I think I'm going to use Marble or Canyon. I'm going to use Canyon. Canyon is this color right here. Like I said, this is a warm palette. Perfect for fall. To me, it's a fall palette. I think you can use this anytime of the year. But to me, yeah. So we're going to warm this up. And this warm up the transition color. As you can tell, I've been doing cut creases a lot and beginners don't like them a little more. And on Instagram, people seem to like them. So, oh wait, okay. I need to put right here. It's called Desert, which is a pretty color. And sits right here. And this is like, oh, no. I'm just making it warmer as I go. But I am going to. And this is very pigmented. As you can tell, keep using that thing. Marvelous. So, this goes up here. I think it's such. Even with no light, I mean, it's really good. Definitely cover this one right here. I'm just connecting this to help.
This is when everything's going to be running off of now. We're just redoing stuff after those flash flare goes off. That's why they're shutting down. Oh God. Oh God.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna. We're gonna fix that. Okay. As I look at this with this eyeshadow, which kind of weird how it.
That's not as bad as I thought.
Thirsty now.
Okay, there's no way. Why are you going to leave it behind?
That's weird how one. We're gonna.
Why is the door open?
Okay. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna use this white base. I'm gonna try something and see if that works. Cause that is so weird how this one. I'll get them used soon. look over there. We're gonna use this halo eye. Kind of on this more open. Well, like the Mirage, which I'm cool with it. That's really, I don't really can see that. Okay, I'm gonna make you a little bit close up, just a tad bit, so there you go. Just do this. Okay, just use your finger with this. And we can.
Okay, I'll be in there in a second. I guess.
I am gonna use this right now, but I do like how that goes. Okay, I finished the look. I didn't get the perfect color for the lips, but that's okay because I wasn't gonna go bright because it'd be way too much. Well, I did the other line using a darker shade in that palette, and of course I did my eyeliner, and I do like this eyeliner I've been using. The Aiko London, that's where I draw the line. I think this is such. I've been getting tips on this with certain products because you know if you like it or not. I'd rather pay cheaper. Samples is always the best for me, but I do like the eyeshadow palette. I think Mirage palette is one of those brands that you can't not go wrong. Like, as you can tell, these are very pigmented and they blend effortlessly. There you go. And I thought it was such a cute look. It's just like a nude mauvey color, but I really don't care. And I don't think the eyeshadow, the eyeshadow pick does not go well with it. But you know what? That's fine. But I did use glitter as a halo eye, like what are y'all doing?
Trying to put the gloves in.
Clean the chicken.
Okay. But I do.
Make sure they don't.
But I do like this look. Something different. Like I said, this is a cut crease. I like the foundation I've been using. My LA Girl. I'll put every product I put down below. And for a MUA shout out to goes to. Okay. Anyway, this is on Instagram and Twitter. She does not have a YouTube channel or anything like makeup. I love her work. I think these kind of, set up. Her eyeshadow. Hang on. Sorry about this. Okay, I think you can see that. Okay, I think you can see that. There we go. This is her eyeshadow look that she did. Sorry, this. There we go. You can't really see. Okay. let's see, let's do this. Make it easier. Still not easy. Sorry. As you can see, it's like dark. This is her look that she did with the Blue Glow palette. That's one of them, and she did this one. Like, that is so pretty. I like that. I really do. I want to create that, but I really don't want to, because I think everybody's makeup is always different. Like you see, I like to play with different colors. But this is not my favorite. I do love the eyeshadow. Then what I did is not my favorite, but the colors are beautiful. And I don't want people to think, oh, you know, she doesn't know. I don't care. But yes, that's my Char's makeup. Or I will put her info below so you can follow her on Instagram and on Twitter. I think she did an amazing job with her eye looks. Like, I like this look. And I did like it. I think it was worth it. This is $12.98 for that palette, from Mirage Palette, and any of the 35 one. And I think that will work. Up close is really pretty, but I could tell on camera it doesn't really pick up the colors like I wanted it to. But that's okay. I'm going to play with some more of that palette and see what will work. But I'm going to play with that purple. I do want to play with that purple. I'm thinking I'm going to use it for a Valentine's Day look and everything else. So, wait for that. But yeah, I think that's the video. I hope you do enjoy this video and everything else. I highly recommend Profusion. My all-time favorite. I should use their little lipstick. I didn't think about that. Oh well, that's life. But yeah, I like this. I like the glitter. I like the press-on glitter. Use your fingers, not your brushes. But has a nice halo effect. That's for sure. But I would say just use a white base for this, not just your color. But that's really pretty and I do like it. So I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget, if you're new here and you want to be part of my Makeup Addict family, hit the subscribe button, because it's getting good on, you know. Also, you meet new kitties that I have. Not meet new kitties, but kitties. But yes, if you do like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, put it wherever you want. At least it tells me. And also hit the notification bell, because I do upload every Monday and Thursday unless I'm sick. But yeah, and don't follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you can be up to date and see all the looks I've created. But sometimes I just don't want to do a YouTube video. But you know what? I don't care. You know? So yeah. I love this foundation. It's like my skin, but I feel it. It's my acne. But yeah. So I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.